Hi friends, so today we'll see how we can add members to security groups in Microsoft Entra ID. So for this, as we have already seen in our last videos, like we have already created a security groups, guys, in our Microsoft Entra ID, where in the groups tab you can see. So first you can go to entra.microsoft.com and log in with your, the subscription or the ID which you have for Microsoft. Office 65 with the subscription, free subscription which we are using, guys. Now after that, what we will do, we will check for the security groups, guys. Here I will click on the security groups. Now here, what is our agenda? We have to add members to security groups in Microsoft Entra ID. So first I will go to my security groups, guys. So here is my security groups. My security group name is engineering group, which I have mentioned here. This is my security groups. Now after that, I have to add members here. So I will go to members, guys, and here I will click on add members. So guys, I want to add the list of members which are there. See, the members which I suppose I have to add this ABCXY. So I will check the name, guys, for better convenience. So to have so I will manage, click on manage username, and also I will do the name as say Sohan and do the save changes. Okay. So username I have updated it. Let's see. Okay, here Sohan is updated. Now this name also if I have changed, then I will check here. Display name I have to change. So please set devices. Let me check here. Manage groups. First name, last name, manage contact information. Okay, guys. Here one more thing is there. Suppose in users, if you have to do the multi-factor authentication. Now since we have enrolled in Azure Active Directory, because our license we have is AD Premium 1 license. Okay, guys. So you can also enable the multi-factor authentication for this user. Okay, so this is a good information, guys. So however, let's go back to our this thing only. Manage groups. Here from here also you can manage the groups. Now this group, guys, this is a membership. This is our local or the basic user which we have, which group which we have for the which is coming the subscription. Okay, so now since I have to add this user, so I have just given the for safe side my username I had just changed. Okay, so now I will add this user abcxyz to our look I will cancel again here to our security group. So which I want to make this group as member of engineering team. Okay, so I will add this group. I will click on this and I will select this group. Okay, so this members added successfully, guys. Now I will refresh it here. So this you will see unlicensed, and we can also assign this user the license also. But when it comes to groups, now it will see that this member is a part of engineering as well as HMW private limited group. Okay, so now guys, we have added these groups in our Microsoft Entra ID, guys, and through this we can manage that in security groups. Engineering we have one user enrolled. Okay, in engineering group when we go, so we see that we have one user which is whose direct member is ABCXYZ, whose email address is sohan at the rate cloud459 dot on Microsoft.com. Okay, this account is enabled and he has group membership of 2 HMW as well as engineering group. Now I have to suppose remove this user, then also I can remove the membership of these users. Okay, so I will remove this member. So this has been successfully removed. So guys, in this video we have seen that we can how we have added and removed the membership from the remove members of to Office Microsoft Entra ID in the security groups. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.